Challenge. Solve by completing the square. Alright, so the first move is to divide each term by 4. And that gives us x squared minus 7 over 4x minus 1/2 equals 0. We'll move this half over to the other side, and we'll leave some room to complete the square, so that gives us half. Now, 7 over 4 divided by 2, or multiplied by 1/2, gives us 7 over 8, and then we square that in order to complete the square. So that becomes 49 over 64. So 49 over 64, and we add it to both sides so that they stay equal. All right, now, next we can make this into a perfect square so that we take this number 7/8 and it's negative. So minus 7 over 8 squared equals, all right, so we have half plus 49 over 64. Instead of half, let's write 32 over 64. So this equals 1/2. And now we add 49 to 32, and that equals 81. So we get 81 over 64. Now we take the square root of both sides, and that gives us x minus 7 over 8 equals plus or minus the square root of 81 over the square root of 64 equals 9 over 8. Now we can move the 7/8 over. 7 over 8 plus or minus 9 over 8 equals, so 7 plus 9 would be 16 over 8, which equals 2, or 7 minus 9 would be negative 2 over 8, which would equal negative 1/4. So those are our two answers, 2 and negative 1/4. A and E.